Hey everybody, Spoonfed here, and I'm with DVWA, and I have no clue what it is. I have no idea where I got this from. Well, apparently it's a Ubuntu remix, based off of Lucid Links, from the top of my head, which was a good distro actually. I liked Ubuntu 10. I really do. What? Alrighty, Roo. Flexbox. Cool. Oh no, I just got out of... Oh, crap. Oh no, it's not as bad as it looks. Phew, thank God for that one. Location, telnet, telnet, awesome. Sorry. Alright, yeah, right, cool. Programming, no, network, yeah, web browsing, W3Ms, something, science, mathematics, shells, sound, system. Let me see if I can switch monitoring. What's this? Yes. Right. Can we make the display any larger? Can we just do shells? A bash shell. Give me a bash shell, you monster. XR and R. Size 1280 by 720. There we go. It's that simple. It's a Linux kernel. I have no idea what DVWA is, so I'm just gonna game toys. Yes, this is a game? Why is this a game? Can somebody explain that to me? Why is this a game? It's a bigger logo. Whoa. Alright, that's not what I wanted to do. Sorry, communication web browsing, W3M. I wanna click it. It's a text-based browser. Oh yes. Cool. Can I just... Yeah, let's go to... Alright, that's... I still like links better. Sorry. Network browsing. Oh, that's them DVWA. Oh, god damn it. Alright, this... Oh, yeah, now I know why I downloaded this. Oh, right. DVWA.co. Yes. Ooh. Sorry. Damn vulnerable web application is... Yes. Its main goal is to... Yeah. This thing here... you log in. I'm not quite sure where you have to log in as, or what you have to log in as. I think just that. No. Then we're going to look here how to log in. Wiki. Wow. Readme. Yeah. Admin password. Alright, that's also... So here you go. So here again, you do brute force, and then this is what you have to brute force, as it were. Command execution, this is how you can exact other things than just the ping command. For example, this is how to use this one to do a password request for somebody else. File inclusion, to include a file, see here, edit that, so here you can include a different file. So SQL injection, you can do user ID 1, you can get this, for example, yada yada yada, and you do that, and you do enter, and it doesn't show you anything. And you're like, why not? You can say plus or 1, or plus 1, and it doesn't do anything at all. Well, what if you do minus 1? Plus or plus 1. Here it doesn't do anything at all, but normally you would get, see, so 12 doesn't hold anything, but you can actually make this put out anything you want. Blind is the same, but then you don't get, probably the last one should have been with errors, but doesn't do. Here you can upload any image that you want, but you can also upload files that are malicious, such as PHP web shells. What's your name? Name is Spoonfed. So here it says hello Spoonfed. So here comes the text that you type in there. So I'm just going to quickly do a script alerts. Greetings. That should work. See, there we go. Filter potential, and then you say show console. Yada 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 yada. See, suspicious original is blah blah blah. So you can also say unsafe reload. So we do unsafe reload. We will not do protect you, but it doesn't work because it's in escape characters. So it's that simple, basically. Yeah. And the stored is signed guestbook. It will do this, and the reflected is it will. If you go to a certain URL, it will work. Okay, so security. You can set it to low, for example, submit. And then if you go now to reflected, it will probably work. I'm not sure. But that's how you can train actually your own attacks to see now it works, because this time that's not what I want. Can I just do it here? If you select source, yeah. So here we go. You can see it's totally in there, and it doesn't filter out those pesky little things. So that's how you can easily, probably this one now works as well. You say submit, and it says here you have an SQL error. So these are the simple things, and the blind one doesn't say anything, but it's the same as this one. File inclusion is the same, because here's the same. So it's new password. Yeah, so that's it. And here you can see everything that's running on the vulnerable web app, and like I said, here you can change security, and you can also enable the PHP intrusion detection system, and you can then simulate an attack. So you can say enable. It's now enabled, and you do simulate an attack, and you see if you IS log. So now you can see what it looks like, and that it gets blocked, vulnerability across this all of stuff. So that's how you can train yourself with this little thing. Yeah, I hope you did this setup by that way, but and here's the instructions. You can also, you can also do the, like on any server, then do this, but this is the image that incorporates the whole thing. So actually, if you, and this is just a flux box. Now I know why it's, yeah, now I know, now I know. Where's my terminator? Do an exterm. And we do if config, and on that address right there is the one that you can test against. You can also test your tools, your SQL tools, and your whatever you want on there, on that IP, and also with different levels of security to see how good your tools are, but also how difficult it can be to get into some sites. So that's it actually for this whole video.